very excited to leave for Montreal. We are at the airport sitting in the lounge. Too excited, We'll be reaching there in 13 hours, long flight. So this is Dubai airport. We are sitting in the lounge. Now reached Montreal and see how tired I am looking. So excited to see Ashu, Vinay Guskoy. We both are excited. And here comes the boy to receive us in the Montreal airport. Now we are checking in the hotel. It is a B&B hotel with the kitchen and everything. It's such a great excitement रहता है ना when you go to one place. Now since it's a morning over there, so we left after a little freshen up होने के बाद we left for having breakfast. So Ashu said, let's go and have pizza, Mama. Yeah, pizza just is amazing. And Montreal itself is a beautiful place, more like a French country. So he is ordering his favorite pizza. And I'm enjoying the ambience, my family time, seeing my boy after almost 6 to 7 months. जब मैं आई थी last time for his iron ring function. So first day when you arrive ना बहुत excitement रहता है. So I was trying to capture इधर उधर everything. And the best season to come here is this only. No snowfall, nothing. The weather is awesome. ज़्यादा ठंड भी नहीं, गर्मी भी नहीं. It's really, one should visit this time or in September, autumn time में. So was having fun with my family. This is the church that you're seeing, which I focused just on. And this is the pizza. This is one of the famous restaurant over there. Ashu ka favorite hai. And he loves pizza. Now we came back and we were thinking what he is going to be wearing for his graduation function. So this is what the dress he was trying. And this is the early morning when I got up. Then jeera water I was having. It is from one home to another home I was feeling. Montreal में भी लगता मैं घर पे ही हूँ. Too much of excitement when you reach. And see how excited I am in the morning also. Then I had my regular tea along with some dry fruits and dates, which I took from here, and having the bhajan, the morning Hanuman Chalisa. And this is a small kitchen that they gave. बहुत अच्छा लगता है to stay in such a B&B. And Binay also got up because he also wanted to go to the gym and for some morning walk. And this is the way. Ashu is still sleeping. I got ready. He also got ready. We were having jet lag also, तो इसलिए ज़्यादा नींद नहीं आ रही थी. But Ashu was sleeping, and here we came to the gym. It was on the top floor. So मैं सोची start करने से पहले थोड़ा photo ले लूँ, थोड़ा video ले लूँ. So I was not knowing how to open the door, and then Vinay guided me कि ऐसे खोलो. And it was quite good. Happy to see it. So मैं चलो थोड़ा कुछ वर्कआउट कर लेती हूँ, कुछ वीडियो भी ले लेती हूँ. थोड़ा टमी वमी तो निकल गया. Now I'm really seriously, I want to lose at least 5 to 6 kg, which I started 3-4 months back in Dubai only. So मैं continue करना चाह रही थी to control my diet also. But यहाँ हो का पाता है in vacation and all. So Vinay ने थोड़ा सा cycling किया, and then he said that I will be going for the walk. And there you can see the swimming pool too, is attached to the gym. And then I came out, as I was telling you, I wanted to take some video. So मैं बाहर आकर started taking the video since our hotel was just in the downtown. So I thought, चलो थोड़ा बहुत ले लेती हूँ scenic beauty. I mean, this place is very much like you're staying in France. About 60 to 70% population they speak in French. French ज़्यादा का they are influenced by it. And only 30% population or 25, I think, they speak in English. And also even the buildings and all, you will see they have that Gothic French style, especially when one travels to Quebec City. वहाँ तो even on the roadside everything is written in French. English तो है ही नहीं थोड़ा भी in Quebec City. So after taking the video outside ka, again I am going inside the gym. कि चलो बहुत हो गया, let's do some exercise now. So I'm back in the gym. At least for 45 minutes, 1 hour, I do little exercise, my workout, and उसके बाद ही I do my cardio, not before that. सिर्फ कार्डियो करने से भी कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, unless and until थोड़ा सा you do some half an hour I do yoga, around 20 minutes 25 minutes I do little weight exercise, and then only I go for walk or I do my treadmill and all, or maybe the cycling. So this is it, my first day in Montreal, morning till morning.